Hello my dear kids! Welcome to grade 1 YouTube school English class. අපේ YouTube school එකේ grade 1 English class එකට ඔයාලා හැමෝම සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා. ඉතින් මම හැමදාමත් කියනවා වගේ grade 1 ළමයින්ට විතරක් නෙමෙයි මේ පාඩම grade 2, 3, 4, 5 හැමෝටම ගොඩක් important වෙයි. Right. So හතරවෙනි lesson එකේ තමයි අපි අද ඉන්නේ. What are we going to study? Today, as you can see on the board, we're going to learn about numbers. We are going to learn about numbers. Right, okay. Do you know numbers? මොනවාද numbers කියන්නේ? ඉලක්කම්. ඉලක්කම් සිංහලෙන් දැනගෙන හිටියට වැඩක් නැහැ. ඒවා ඔයාලා ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියන්නත් දැනගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ. So බිංදුවේ ඉඳලා 10 වෙනකම්. බිංදුවට නම් ඉතින් 0 නේ කියන්නේ. මොකොත් නැහැ ඒකේ. So 1 to 10 එකේ ඉඳලා 10 වෙනකම් අද අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න යනවා. Right. So what is this? 1. 1. So there is only one book here. There is only one book here. How many books? How many books? One book. Okay. What is this? What is this? 2. 2. So, how many legs this bird is having? This bird has 2 legs. කුරුල්ලට කකුල් කීයද? 2යි. This bird has 2 legs. කුරුල්ලට තියෙනවා කකුල් 2ක්. Right. What is this? Number 3. So, what about this tricycle? This tricycle has 3 wheels. This tricycle has 3 wheels. How many wheels? රෝද කීයද? 3යි. Right. Okay. What is this number? 4. Yes, this is 4. 4. How many wheels this car has? This car has 4 wheels. රෝද 4ක් තියෙනවා. Right. Okay. What is this number? Yeah, this number is number 5. Right. Okay. How many pencils are there? There are 5 pencils. There are 5 pencils. There are 5 pencils. How many? So you can tell how many pencils you have. I have 5 pencils. මට තියෙනවා pencil 5ක්. Okay. 6. S-I-X. 6 means higher. Bug. Maini kurminiek. Bug. So how many legs this bug has? This bug has 6 legs. I think you can count from here. Bug ට කීයක් තියෙනවද කියලා ඔයාලට පේනවා නේද? 6 legs. කකුල් 6ක් තියෙනවා. Now we are going number 7. Number 7. What is this? Number 7. The flag has 7 colors. Here, this is a flag and this flag has 7 colors. You can count from 1 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This flag has 7 colors. Okay, 8. What is this? What is this? This is number 8. This is number 8. And this is a spider. Who is this? Spider. Spider is having 8 legs. Spider තියෙනවා කකුල් 8ක්. Spider has 8 legs. Spider has 8 legs. Okay. Now the last one. No, before the last one. Number 9. How many flowers are here? There are 9 flowers. How many flowers are here? 9 flowers. මලකම 9ක් තියෙනවා. Okay. What is this? Dun-dun-dun, the last one. 10. 10. So, how many fingers are here? Yes. Almost everyone is having how many fingers? How many? Yes, 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do all together 10. So we learned from 1 to 10. Today we learned from number 1 to number 10. Number කීවෙනකන් අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තද? 1 ඉඳලා 10 වෙනකන්. So that's it. Thank you very much. ඊළඟට අපේ ඉස්සරහා lessons ටිකත් එක්කත් ඔයාලා දිගටම එකතු වෙලා ඉන්න දුවේ පුතේ. Thank you very much.